Night falls, wrapping the whole world. The kettle hums, the still around me, the glow of the warm, painting the shadows that feels alive. This is my moment, just me, simple, intentional, unrushed. Each lens reflects the dim glow, a reminder of the story I haven't told. Cleaning isn't just about care, it's a ritual, connection to the craft. Every smudge wiped like a layer of hesitation removed, leaving the clarity behind. The world outside sleeps, but here, under the amber light, I lose myself in the pages. Each word pulls me deeper into lives I never lived, into the emotions I have never known.